Welcome to English with the Bexleys. This coffee is very good. Thank you, honey.
You are welcome. What are we doing today?
We need to go to the supermarket. The fridge is empty.
You're right. Who wants to go to the supermarket?
I want, Mommy! I like supermarket! Yay!
Let's make a list. We need milk, eggs, and bread.
Okay, milk, eggs, and bread. Can we buy some snacks, too?
Yes, Lily. Put it on the list. Timmy, where is Buddy?
Buddy is sleeping. Can he come to the supermarket?
No, Timmy. Dogs can't go inside the supermarket. Buddy stays here.
Dad, should we take a basket or a shopping cart?
Let's take a shopping cart.
Why?
The basket is small, but the cart is big.
I'm leaving the basket.
Wow, the supermarket is so big!
Where should we go first? Let's start with the fruit and vegetables. Look at these apples.
They are red! I like green apples.
Okay, let's get 3 green and 4 red apples. 3 green apples, 4 red apples.
How much are the apples?
Let's see, they are $3.
That's a good price.
Can we buy bananas?
Of course.
I like bananas!
Look at these strawberries. They look fresh.
Let's buy 1 box. What fruit do you like? Pause the video and write in the comments.
John, where is Timmy? He was here a minute ago.
Timmy? Timmy?
Timmy? I'm worried.
Let's ask for help. Excuse me.
Yes? We can't find our son. Don't worry. I will make an announcement. How old is he?
Timmy is 5 years old.
And he is wearing an orange t-shirt. Attention, please. A boy in an orange t-shirt is lost. Wait, I know where he is. The toys. Where's the toys section? Go straight. It is behind the electronics. Timmy! Oh, thank God. We are here.
Don't do that again, Timmy.
I'm sorry, Daddy. Can we buy a robot?
Maybe next time, Timmy. Now, hold my hand. I want some cheese and olives.
Okay, honey, we can buy some.
Excuse me. Can you help me?
Sure. Which one do you want?
I want the cheddar cheese, please.
How much do you want?
200 grams, please.
Sure, coming right up.
Can you slice it, please?
Of course. Thin slices or thick slices?
Thin slices, please. Thank you.
200 grams of cheddar cheese. Here you are. Anything else, sir?
Yes, please. I want some black olives. How much is 1 kilo?
It is $10 per kilo.
Okay. I'll take half a kilo. Thanks.
Half a kilo of black olives. Here you are. Now we need something for dinner.
Let's go to the meat section.
Wow, there is a lot of meat here. What should we buy?
Should we buy pork, chicken, beef, or fish?
Mommy, I like chicken sausages.
Not for dinner, but we can buy a packet for breakfast.
Yay! Thank you, Mommy. I got the chicken sausage. Yummy!
Today, I can make beef meatballs.
Okay, then we need ground beef.
Meatballs? Yummy!
Dad, can we buy some fish?
Okay. Let's buy some fish for tomorrow. 4 salmon fillets, please.
Right away. Here you are.
Thank you. One last thing. Drinks. Lily, can you get some soda and milk?
Of course, Dad. How much milk and soda do we need?
2 bottles of milk and 1 bottle of soda is enough.
Okay, Dad. See you at the checkout. 2 bottles of milk. 1 bottle of soda. Hello.
Hello.
Did you find everything?
Yes, thank you.
Your total is $65.50.
I will pay cash. 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50.
What's wrong?
I don't have enough cash.
You can pay by card.
Okay.
I'm sorry, your card is declined.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Do you have any other card?
Let's try this card.
Payment approved.
Great. Thank you.
You're welcome. Here is your receipt. Have a nice day.
You too.
Thank you.
Let's go home and see Buddy. Let's put the bags in the trunk.
Can I eat cookies now?
After dinner, honey.
We have everything for the party. Are you ready for a garden barbecue party?
Subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Don't miss the fun.